Hello everybody! When we hear that somebody uses a piece of wire to fix something or keep two parts together, usually redneck engineering pops up in our mind. But you may be surprised that wires are commonly used in planes and other applications where vibrations can loosen bolts and nuts over time. Most of the time, we deal with this problem using nuts with nylon inserts, spring lock washers, thread lockers, or castle nuts. Recently I came across yet another technique commonly used in aeronautical industry. Here I have a bolt taken from a plane. Don't worry, it was replaced with another one and the plane is flying okay. There are holes drilled through the head. And another one with holes. The holes are used with a special wire to prevent bolts from coming loose. Here we have an example of two bolts that we wish to secure in place, each one with head holes. The arrows show the lefty-loosey spin we wish to prevent. Now we need a special safety wire to run through the bolt heads in a specific pattern. I drive the wire through the first bolt hole and bring it around the head, so the wire doesn't face the second bolt. Then I take two ends of the wire and bring them diagonally to the second bolt. If I pull this wire now, it will tighten the bolt even more. Here is the entry hole in the second bolt. I use a special tool to lock those two ends of the wire together at this entry point. Pulling this twisted rod in pliers, I twist these ends together. To about 7 twists per inch. Pliers released. Now I thread one end of the wire through the hole in the second bolt head. Tighten it up. Bring the second end around the head so it doesn't face the first bolt. Clamp the pliers on both wire ends and twist them together. This time by hand, turning it in the opposite direction than the mechanism allows. I do it this way to prevent the wire from slipping over the bolt head. Now I clip the excess wire and pigtail it. At this setup, the first bolt keeps the second in check and vice versa. If the top one tries to loosen itself, it would tighten the bottom one. Since the bolt at the bottom is already fastened, it will stay still, holding at the same time the upper one. If the connection breaks, it will be easy to notice broken wire during visual inspection. This special tool, safety wire pliers, is used to handle the wire in the process. There is this locking mechanism and twisted rod to spin the tool. This method is used not only in planes, but also in racing bikes and cars. So here you have it. Airplanes are held in one piece by twisted wires. Crazy, or is it? Till next time.